Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. Windstorm Cooltech Boat Covers are manufactured with Aqualon Edge Cooltech marine-grade fabric that is uniquely designed to reduce heat buildup under the cover by 30%. Windstorm covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Cooltech Boat Covers are manufactured with Aqualon Edge, a marine-grade fabric that is uniquely designed to be 100% waterproof and to reduce heat buildup under the cover by 30%. Windstorm Cooltech Boat Covers come with an 8-year warranty and are handmade with rot-proof thread and double-stitched seams. Cooltech covers are available in popular colors. All Windstorm covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners. Windstorm boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm Cooltech covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Each cover includes 2 side vents to promote ventilation and reduce heat buildup. Windstorm series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm Cooltech covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Aqualon Cooltech marine-grade fabric. Windstorm Cooltech covers are designed to provide years of waterproof protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.